celebrated on December 10th, which is to extend the right to life and freedom to all living beings that inhabit our planet, even if they belong to species other than us. In this way, the celebration aims to remember that respect and justice are fundamental values of each individual, regardless of race, gender, or species.
These laboratory tests involve the use of animals in experiments that seek to control the variables that affect behavior or the biological system under studies. This analysis can be contrasted with field studies in which animals are observed in their natural environment or habitat.
To do anything they can to guard animal rights, activists believe that humans should: number 1. Stop thinking of animals as human property and think of them as companion animals instead of pets. Second, abstain from all animal use, which includes meat, leather, milk, wool and silk. Third, stop experimenting on animals. Fourth, stop using animals for entertainment and sporting events. Fifth, animal rights activists also believe that humans should not hunt, fish or wear fur.
Thousands of animal rights supporters across the world hold candlelit vigils and other inspiring events to mark this event. This is to draw attention to Universal Declaration of Animal Rights. This declaration states that rights are a logical progression from basic human rights. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals (PETA) encourages individuals to participate in this day by not eating animals. They also encourage people to adopt a vegan lifestyle.
This coordinated global day of action has intensified calls for the recognition of the rights of all sentient beings to life, liberty, and natural enjoyment. Ethical pioneers united to remember the billions of animals subjected to deliberate cruelty and killing across the world every year.
Humans who share the planet with different kinds of creatures need to be reminded that animals deserve to be treated with respect, dignity and care. Whether furry or scaly, warm-blooded or cold-blooded, on land, in the air or even the water, all creatures on the earth merit fair and considerate treatment. International Animal Rights Day is the right time to do just that.